guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a spooky spider eye type thing. I'll show you the picture. I first seen Tina Halada do this like last year, but I seen this picture on Pinterest. I'm not exactly sure who this is, but basically this is just my reference picture. Tina did it. Tina Halada, yeah, she did it last year. But yeah, I already did my foundation stuff because this video literally foundation doesn't matter. So I already did that and I already primed my eyes, and now I'm just gonna do like a black smoky eye. So we're basically just gonna go like right through that because it really doesn't matter. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do a black smoky eye quickly, and I'm gonna be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And if my face looks like extra powdery today, it's because I wanted to put like extra powder because I knew that I was going to be like, so basically I'm going over all my foundation stuff with, I'm gonna either be using this CC Beauty 12 flash color palette or like an eyeliner, but either way you want it to be like set because otherwise then the foundation will mix with the black and it'll look like not cute. I'm just gonna do like a smoky eye. So I'm gonna keep it a G. This eyeshadow isn't the best and it's a little messy, but honestly it like adds to it, so it really doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna start doing the spider, and now I'm gonna take an eyeliner brush and I'm gonna like flatten it so it has a flat tip and dip into the white. My eyeliner brush isn't the smallest, so I just kind of have to like work with what I have. So I have to like make it like a, my hands are a mess from the black, but like basically make it flat, whatever, have to work with what you have. But if you have a small one, that'll be better. So now I'm just gonna do the outline of the spider. You're just gonna want to do 4 like legs at the top because like spiders have 8 legs, so we're gonna do 4 at the top and then 4 at the bottom. And while you're doing it, just make sure you keep like dipping into your brush to make sure it's white. If you make like little mistakes, we can like clean that up later, but honestly it kind of like adds to it because like no spider is perfect, you know. It's like they're all different. So now I'm just gonna add the other 4 legs at the bottom. Now that the outline is done, I'm gonna take, so I'll probably be switching back and forth between the eyeliner brush and this black in the palette, and also gonna be using this Kat Von D liner. I forget what it's called, honestly. It's kind of old and it's like wiped off. So now you're just gonna basically go around the outside, so middle to still be white, and if you can, when you get to the end, bring it to like a tip. It's a little messy, but now we're gonna basically just clean up what needs to be cleaned up and add some black. So you'll see when I do it, but I'm not gonna put black on all of it. I'm gonna leave some white spots, so just to make it like look realistic. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the same Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place and the black in that, just to add some black to the white. This is like my second time doing this look, which that's why it's a little messy or whatever. but like I said, it kind of like adds to it. So now I'm gonna do the shading. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small brush and I'm gonna go into the lighter dark color. It's not black, it's like kind of like a grayish black. And so I'm just gonna, so when you shade it, you want to connect the shading and the leg, the tips, basically they will connect. That's the meeting point of the shadow. And you can do that with all the legs, you can do it with some of them. It just like makes it look more realistic. So I'm gonna connect the tip. If the shadows don't match, like if a light would actually hit, it really doesn't matter. It's just trying to make it look like 3D. This is what it looks like with the shadows and everything. I feel like it looks really, really cool. So now I'm just gonna put on some lashes, and then yeah, it's pretty easy. I feel like it'd be easier for you guys probably because I have a really like shaky hand in general, so the lines are kind of like all over the place, I'm not gonna lie. But that, like I said, it kind of adds to it, like it gives it like a more of a spooky feel. But yeah, I'm gonna add lashes and finish up the look, and then I'll be right back. I tried to do something with my lips, but it didn't work out. So this is the final look. I just put on lashes, and then yeah, this is what the final look looks like. It's pretty like beginner friendly. I feel like you could do it like I said, it'll look way better than mine if your hand isn't like as shaky as mine. But like I said, I have super shaky hands, just like on the regular, you know, anxiety, period, whatever. So yeah, I just have shaky hands. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing, because I love Halloween, so I'm trying to do more spooky season Halloween like looks. So this will be like the first of hopefully many Halloween looks. So yeah, if you like it, subscribe, comment down below. Actually, I have a good thing to comment. Please comment down below on how I can like steady my hand more when I'm doing makeup. Like, you know how some people will like put it up? I feel like that doesn't work for me. I just need something to help me like steady my shaky hands so my lines will be cleaner. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon for more Halloween season videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.